And yeah, so the first thing I'm gonna do is rip up this first layer, because this is wrapped over, I guess, the original how it was with just carpet. But other than that, man, this came out really good, you know. And it gets rid of that yellow. And like I said, third brake light gonna go here. So I'm gonna get ready to put this back in the car. Y'all see what's going on. Y'all see the black back there. I put the bracket back on and ran the wire back through. So whenever we finish painting this, we can throw that on back in there, you know what I'm saying? And we're gonna paint this piece too, because this piece go up top to hold the headliner, hence why the headliner is falling down.
Now I'm doing shit you can be proud of. My shit used to be empty, now half of my closet proud of. I fell, but a nigga got up. This and this shit get shot up. Punching my pocket not up. Rapping on finally making it rain while I was locked up. So my niggas just hold on, never worry, dog, I got us. Why? Cause it's up.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Deuce back with another video. Now today it's a Friday, so I'm finna try to spend all day today doing stuff with this car, you know what I'm saying? Literally all day today. So to start off with the exterior, well, not the exterior, but the back of the car, I want to try to get this rear deck wrapped. Now I just went and bought a yard of black vinyl wrap, so, and I went and got me some more Gorilla Glue adhesion spray, and I got me some staple guns, well, a staple gun and some staples in the back, you know what I'm saying? So the first thing I need to try to do is try to get this rear deck out first, then we're gonna go from there, you know what I'm saying? Try to wrap it and everything, you feel me? So I was gonna maybe throw, I can wait. I was gonna throw them rear deck speakers in, but like I said, I'm gonna wait. I ain't too stressed about it getting it done right now. The main thing I want to do is try to get this paint and this wrapping and all this stuff done. So like I said, this video we're gonna be trying to wrap that rear deck. Then the next video we're gonna start painting the rest of these panels, you know what I'm saying? This top one, the bottom one, we're gonna go ahead and wrap this little piece with the Alcantara. But the rear deck, I don't have enough Alcantara to wrap the rear deck, so we're just gonna use, like I said, the black vinyl. So we're gonna be using that to wrap it. Then like I said, we're gonna, after we wrap the back, we're gonna wrap that third brake light and that top little piece right there. Then we're gonna move on to this side and this side, and then I'm gonna probably try to throw in this as well. Even though I only have one, I have to order one more, which they like $9 a piece, so it's not too bad, you feel me? So yeah, man, I hope y'all excited, hope y'all ready. We're gonna get this going. I'm sorry about that, y'all, it's a little loud outside, but it is definitely it's really warm outside. The wind ain't blowing too hard no more. So like I said, we're gonna go ahead and try to wrap this rear deck. The first thing I need to try to do is figure out how to get this rear deck out. So I'm gonna start off by taking that third brake light out. That way that'll already be out to where whenever I get ready to wrap it, maybe the next video is what I'm gonna be painting. I meant to say, I'm gonna probably paint that in the next video, the third brake light and that top part. Then the video after that, we're gonna work on this top panel. Then the video after that, we're gonna work on the bottom panel. Then we're gonna wrap that little yellow piece in that bottom panel. So it's a lot I'm trying to do today, you feel me? It's a lot of painting I'm trying to get done today. That way I can keep moving forward, you know what I'm saying? Keep everything rolling, because like I told y'all, the car's only gonna be here for about another week and a half maybe, you feel me? It ain't gonna be here too much longer. So I'm trying to get as much done as I can while the car's in the fabrication shop. That way when it get out, we wouldn't have too much left to do, you know what I'm saying? And I can still keep working and grinding while the car's going. So I've already ordered more paint, and it came in, so hopefully that's all the paint I'm gonna need. Hopefully I don't need no more. And I might even try to paint this centerpiece this weekend, like unscrew it and then take it with me and paint it over there with the bike Chevy, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, I hope y'all excited. It's a lot I'm finna be doing this entire weekend. It's a lot I'm finna be doing, but mainly trying to get as much done with this car as I can. So yeah, man, let's get ready to try to pull out this rear deck. I'm gonna catch y'all after I already take out the third brake light. So y'all just stay tuned and I will catch y'all in 1 second. Wait, make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all, that way y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel, share this video. Let's keep growing and elevating together. And like I said, I'm gonna catch y'all once I get that third brake light out. So y'all just stay tuned. All right, y'all, so I got it all out now. It wasn't really too hard. I just had to undo them top panels, you know what I'm saying? The ones that we're gonna be painting today, I had to undo those, and that was really it. And it came out. Got the third brake light off and it came right out, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, so the first thing I'm gonna do is rip up this first layer, because this is wrapped over, I guess, the original how it was with just carpet. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and pull off the yellow, and I'm gonna try and pull out some of that blue that's under it. I can show it here. I started pulling it up here. I'm gonna try and pull some of this off, but it don't look like it's gonna come out very easily, you know. I'm gonna try though, see what I can get done. So yeah, man, let's start working. Sit y'all right here, put y'all down. All right, let's see how much we can get done. Come on, come on now. All right, so this yellow is now almost off, and I got my black vinyl right here. So we're gonna be using, like I said, we're gonna be wrapping this black, because y'all know my color scheme. I'm doing this darker blue, like a Duke or a Kentucky blue, and black. So this yellow gots to go. So we got that off. One full piece now. Got that off. We're not gonna be reusing it or nothing. It's faded and everything, so ain't no need of me even trying to keep it. So I'm gonna throw it on the way. Like I said, I'm gonna try and rip up this blue. Scared the mess out of me. Yeah, it don't look like it's gonna be coming up real easily though. So this is gonna be the only sort of hard part, trying to get this blue up without breaking this piece. If y'all look at it, yeah, this piece already not that good, so I'm trying to reuse it. Yeah, it's already like split in the middle and stuff, you know what I'm saying? So maybe I'll just leave this on there and just wrap the black over top of it and do it like that. It shouldn't come up anyways. That's what I think I'm gonna do, because I can't get this off. And like I said, I don't want to mess up this board, because I don't have no wood here to try to remake me a board. So yeah, that's what I think I'm finna just do. Finna just leave it on there. So let me go ahead and spread out this black vinyl. Turn y'all this way now. Go ahead and spread out this black vinyl. Move this out the way real quick. Shut the door. So we're not even gonna be using all this material. We only gonna need probably about that much. Nah, that's too long. So we're gonna have to go long ways. And we gotta go long ways with it. Take this, lay it upside down. Nope, still too long. I'm gonna have to go calicorn it. I'm gonna have to do it like that. Yep. And I'm thinking if I staple it, it's gonna go through this board, because this board not that thick. Let me try and see. And if it goes through the board, then it's gonna go through this vinyl part. Yep, went through the board. So now I gotta get that out. I'm not gonna use this staple gun. Ain't no need. Ain't no need. Can't use that staple gun. So I'm gonna have to just try to measure it pretty good. You know what I'm saying? And then go from there. Because I don't want to just waste none of this material, or all of this material. I don't want to just waste the material, so I'm gonna have to just fold it over and glue it down and hope it stays strong. So guys, all I'm really doing is a rough cut right now. And then once I get it cut all the way through, I'll go ahead and pull it up, then spray the adhesion on the board and the vinyl. So that's just all I'm doing right now. And I'm trying to make sure I don't use up too much material. That way, if I ever need more black later on for that car, I have it. You know what I'm saying? So that's all I'm really doing right now. So once I fully wrap it, then I'm gonna come back to y'all. So y'all just go ahead and stay tuned while I get this done, get this laid on there and glued down. You feel me? I don't want this to just be boring for y'all and y'all just watching me cut. So let me finish this up, then I will come back to y'all hopefully for the end result. All right, y'all, so it looked like it's finna start raining, so I really got to move on with doing all this. But yeah, man, I just finished wrapping it and it came out really good. Now the little center part where the third brake light gonna be, you're not gonna see that cut out, but you feel me, it still look really good, you know what I'm saying? So here you go. Now I will be saving the rest of this adhesive spray because this weekend we also will be wrapping my box Chevy's rear deck. But here go the final product. You can even get up close. Like I said, ain't nothing. I messed up right here, but you know what I'm saying, it'll be all right. It's not that bad. But other than that, man, this came out really good, you know. And it gets rid of that yellow. And like I said, third brake light gonna go here. So I'm gonna get ready to put this back in the car and bolt it on down, you know what I'm saying, with the third brake light. Well, actually just the bracket part. The third brake light I'm gonna leave out because we painting it in the next video. So yeah, man, y'all let me know what y'all think. Like I said, I gotta throw it back in the car. This car is really coming together, you know. It's not a whole lot left really I gotta do in the interior besides finish painting and then throw that carpet down. And I'm gonna throw some plastic over because I don't want that carpet to get dirty quick, because you feel me, it's not a black carpet, it's blue. So I don't want the carpet to get dirty, so I'm gonna throw like some plastic or something over top of it. That way it'll be somewhat protected, you know. But this is the rear deck piece. Like I said, I gotta throw it back in the car. Go ahead and throw all this away. This is all trash. And I couldn't use my staple gun, but I glued it all the way around, you know what I'm saying? I flipped it over and glued it, so it's secure, you know what I'm saying? It ain't gonna go nowhere. We good. So I'm thinking I'm gonna have to take this back out when I get ready to put my rear deck speakers in. Y'all know I got bolted from the bottom, so the bolt's gonna be right behind this, so I think I'm gonna have to take it back out, but we'll see when that comes. For now, I'm not worried about the musically yet. I want to get the paint done, that way as soon as they get finished welding, I can throw like my carpet in, run my wires and all that stuff, and then worry about music after all the welding's done. This one less thing I gotta worry about, you know what I'm saying, wrapping this rear deck, and we got it done, you know. So yeah, man, I'm excited, man. We got a lot going on. I got my paint out because I'm finna get, like I said, finna get paint them pieces. But other than that, man, this one done. Like I said, I gotta throw it back in the car. I'm gonna show y'all what it looked like back in the car. And yeah, we got some extra material just in case if I ever need it, you know. And the Alcantara wrap is right there in that package. So yeah, man, we got everything ready to roll today. So it's 1 o'clock. I need to try and finish all this stuff by tonight, you know, before it starts getting real dark on me. And it usually don't start getting dark till about 7:30. So got about 6-7 hours to really get the grinding and really get the pushing, you know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna bring y'all along with me through this whole day. So like I said, man, y'all let me know what y'all think. Finna get ready to throw it back in the car, then y'all can really get y'all opinion once I get it back inside the car, and then we're gonna keep moving forward, you know, keep progressing. So yeah, man, I will catch y'all once I get this back in the car for the outro and show y'all what it look like inside the vehicle. So y'all just stay tuned and let me know what y'all think in the comments. So y'all know we just finished wrapping and I just put it back in the car, and man, I'm telling y'all, that black looks so good. Look at it, man. Don't worry about these panels down. Y'all know we gotta paint them anyway, so trying to figure out how to get these wires off without having to cut them, because I don't want to cut them and then have to put them back. I don't feel like doing all that. So yeah, man, this is the black. And man, I'm telling y'all, it's gonna look so good once we get these seats redone. And once I finish painting the rest of it, man, I'm so excited, bro. I am so excited, man. I'm telling y'all. Look at the black. Let's try to go from the outside. Well, you can't really tell because I got my tarp still on the car. I didn't want the tarp to blow away. But yeah, man, like I said, man, y'all see it. Y'all see what's going on. Y'all see the black back there. I put the bracket back on and ran the wire back through. So whenever we finish painting this, we can throw that on back in there. You know what I'm saying? And we're gonna paint this piece too, because this piece go up top to hold the headliner. Hence why the headliner is falling down, because this trim piece right here is down. And I just noticed that the shop that this car was at, they pulled off these pieces and I didn't have them painted. So I'm gonna go ahead and paint those as well while they are already out. You know what I'm saying? I don't know where they go because I haven't pulled them out and looked at them or nothing. But yeah, man, they go somewhere in here. You know what I'm saying? So I need to paint that piece too. But this piece was this the one that was hard to get out? I don't know. I'm gonna try and get it out in a second. I gotta do both sides though. And yeah, nothing else really. But y'all let me know what y'all think about that rear deck, man. Like I said, it came out perfect, bro. I'm loving it. I'm loving the way that black's looking. The black is contrasting, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna look really good once I finish everything in here. Like once I wrap this side and ooh, I forgot y'all was still zoomed in. Like I said, once I wrap this side and paint this one and this one, I gotta figure out how to get this wire out though, because it's not just coming off. And y'all know that's the light part, so it ain't just fitting straight through. So I gotta figure out how to get that out. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna figure it out in a second. But for now, we got that rear deck done and it's beautiful, but I'm telling y'all, it looks so good. Can't wait to throw this trim back in, have the blue headliner with the black in the back. Bro, I'm telling you, I'm doing this so good. Then once we put that blue carpet in, y'all haven't seen the video yet, but the video is coming. I've already, if y'all didn't know, man, I bought that carpet months ago. You know what I'm saying? Months ago, so long ago I bought that carpet and I just never made a video on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and make a video on it, show y'all the carpet that we got for this car. It's the perfect blue. It matches with everything, the paint and everything that we're going with. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all that in another video. But for now, y'all let me know what y'all think about that rear deck. It came out perfect. Now we gotta wrap the box Chevy rear deck. I'm gonna do that tomorrow, but today we're gonna finish up a little bit more with this car. So this gonna be the end of this one, man. I hope y'all enjoy. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all the way. Y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel, share this video. Let's keep growing and elevating together. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Like I said, y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think about the rear deck. And keep God first, God bless, and I will catch y'all on the next one. Peace.